Hey people, welcome to the live stream. So we'll start exactly at 9. Till then, let's wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, so you can have a look at the description while we are waiting. I know like only few people we will be having, but in case uh, whoever is watching in the future, uh, yeah, you can have a look at the description. So I don't know if I'm live or not, but let's check once again. Okay, yeah, I think I'm live. Okay, so let's start at 9. Okay, so before that, the idea is just solve SQL top 50 problems, both in SQL and in Pandas. Okay, so that you have better hands-on and practice in order to crack the interviews, or because nowadays like everyone is asking problems that is hands-on. Okay, so let's solve the problem, and today's problem is product sales analysis. Okay, and we have table with the name sales, and column names you can see as sale id, product id, year, quantity, and price. Okay, and here the sale id and year is the primary key combination of columns with unique values of this table, and product id is a foreign key. So when you see a foreign key, that means there exists another table. So each of this table shows a sale of on the product id in a certain year. Note the prices per unit. Okay, so we have another table that is product with product id. So the common is product id, on which we can join these two tables. Okay, and product id is primary in this table, and each of this table indicates product name for each product. Okay, so write a solution to report the product name, year, and price for each sale id in sales table. Okay, so it is straightforward. We need to give product name, year, and price. So product name, year, and price. Okay, so that is what we are going to do. Okay, here you can see sales table. It is like sale id is 1, 2, and 7. Also year was primary key, right? If I'm not wrong. Yeah, sale id and year. So year also will be unique to 208, 9, and 11. Okay, and then product id, here it is the primary key 100, 200, and 300. Okay, and the product name output is Nokia, Nokia, and Apple. Okay, so let's see, instead of looking at the explanation, let's look at the query. Okay, so what we can do is we need to select the product name, year, and price. Okay, so here you can see year and price I have selected from sales table, and here you can see sales, and I have given S. So S is the alias here, or you can say S dot year, S dot price from sales table. And for product name, that is product P, I have given the alias P here. So P dot product name is what we are going to select from the product table. Okay, and we are going to join product P on S dot product ID and P dot product ID. So basically product ID is the common key. So the final query goes like this: select product ID, product name, year, price from sales S, and join product P on S dot product ID and P dot product ID. Okay, so if I run this, you will see that it passes the test case, I believe. Okay, the network is slow, I think so, but still, let's wait. Okay, uh, people like if you're watching this, then try to solve it side by side. Don't just copy, think through the description of the problem and then solve it, okay, so that you get better hands-on practice. Okay, so let me refresh. Sometimes it doesn't run, I don't know why. Yeah, so it accepted the test case. Let's submit it. Okay, so yeah, we got test case accepted. Okay, so let's go to pandas. Now in case of pandas, as you all know, we get it in the function format. So here you can see we have sales table in the data frame, or you can consider sales as one single data frame and product as a different data frame. Okay, so for what first I'm doing here is I'm using pd.merge. Okay, and I am merging sales table or sales data frame and product data frame on product id, and how in the sense inner join I'm giving. Okay, you can either specify here left, right, and I think full join or outer join. Okay, that you need to check. Okay, but left and join, left and right is fixed. Okay, so okay, let me show you the output as x first. Okay, so if I run this query, you will see that we have sales and product, both the tables here. Okay, so this is the output. So if you see sale id, product id, year and quantity, and price, product name. Okay, product name is from the product table, and we have product id is the common id. Okay, and year and quantity are both from the sales table. Okay, so that is the thing. But since we want just what was it, yeah, product name, year and price, right? So that is why we are selecting only product name, year and price. Okay, so let me run this. As you can see, our test case got accepted. Okay, now we can finally submit the problem. Okay, cool. So our solution got accepted and all the test cases are passed. Okay, so this was a straightforward solution in pandas and in SQL. Hope you learned something from this video, and if you do hit that subscribe button and do share it with your friends who are trying to upskill in the SQL and in pandas. Okay, so hope this helps, guys. If you are watching this video, do share it. Okay, so yeah, that's all about it. It hardly took us 6 minutes to solve in two ways. Okay, since the solution was like I had written it earlier, so I think it took us time. But if I would have been writing it alongside with you, then I think we could have taken much of more time. Okay, so yeah, nevertheless, let's meet in the next problem statement. Okay, so till then, take care. Bye bye.